So I'll tilt it into the camera. San Francisco School of Flower Design. Nine people back here doing bouquets. I turned my back and they're stellar. How long have you been designing flowers, Sal? A week. Turn it right into my camera. Bam. Blush was his color. Rounding the horn, Mr. Nick, stellar. He's going to do his daughter's wedding in 25 years. He is a landscaper at a famous place. It's beautiful. How long have you been doing flowers?
A couple of years.
How do you do them? Around the house?
Around the house and at work.
Beautiful.
Little flower pots.
He's doing a little cascade. Spectacular. Here we have Miss Elaine. I love it. That's a hard one to do. When I told you that, I thought, good luck. Because it's hard to get those lilies just right poking out. Spectacular.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing flowers?
1 week. I started out the worst one in the class.
You started out the worst one in the class, she says. I don't think that. But you've come a long way, baby. I'll tell you that much. I told you the other day you went from 0 to 60 on like Wednesday. Also, it's like, uh-oh, Elaine. Wow. You're so good. Point yours into the camera. I love this one. It's chic and simple. Try the like grape around the outside. Well, maybe not, or maybe a little touch of this. Very pretty. How hard was that to do?
It's because you have all the silver dollar on one side.
Here we have returning student Kelly.
You put down both sides.
How hard was that to do? You whipped that out.
Thank you.
Perfect. Perfect. It's a perfect size. It's a perfect everything. I wasn't this good after like 9 years in the business. Okay, so here we have our Maui. By the way, I scheduled Maui for Tuesday, Wednesday. I told you this already. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 to 4. Hope we're not in your way. You'll be there with me anyway. So hope I make it back from the beach soon enough for your husband from my surf lesson. How hard was that to do?
It was easy peasy.
She owns a flower shop in Maui, and I'm hosting a class there. Check it out. Beautiful. Let me get it up close. Spectacular.
Thank you.
Wow. I don't believe these. Here we have the man of the hour, Mr. Sean. Beautiful. I love how you finished it. See, that's what you do with an all-rose bouquet. Turn around and show everybody. You soup it up a little bit,
It's gorgeous.
and they go crazy.
That's my favorite family.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Good job, Sean. Do you have a name of your store yet?
2 buds.
2 buds.
Thanks to your help.
They went with it. 2 buds. You're gonna be like the personalities of Hate and Beyond. 2 buds.
When we were driving up that morning, we were like, that's it, that's it.
2 buds. Where are you gonna be located? I get 1 million views on some of these.
Lower Haight Street, Haight and Steiner.
Haight Street and Steiner in San
Steiner.
Francisco. 2 buds. Sean and Jesse over there. And when they're having arguments over what to order for Valentine's Day, I'm going to fly in and mediate. We already discussed this. Me and Stacy, we're going to mediate any problems with the 2 buds. Nick, turn that around. Beautiful.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you, Michael.
I can't believe these are drop dead perfect. How hard was that one to make? It's gorgeous. You hit like several home runs this week. She took my master's class, and it certainly rubbed off on you. I've never done that bouquet before. I haven't, and I wish I did. Cause it's like Emily's over there. It's a mix of spray and rose. I love it, but it's so chic, and everyone wants hydrangeas and anemones. I think that is so New York and so chic. My camera isn't leaving it. It's just stuck there. It just won't move. Beautiful. You've never done flowers till you got here?
No, sir.
Wow. Here's the other bud. Turn around. Here's the other bud. 2 buds. Flower shop. Haight and Steiner in San Francisco.
Check it out.
Look at him, like a pro, like he was doing his whole life. He's been here for a week. Goodbye from the Bay.